Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Aziz Talaba wa Talibat, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. As is question number 5 come. Question number 5 shown the first term of an AP is 5, the last term is 45, and the sum is 400. Find the number of terms and the common difference. This is the solution. N and AP we have given characters. The first term of AP is 5. First term से note करें A से 5 जरा. Last term is 45. Last term is AN. Is last term and term, so it's 45. And the sum is 400. SN. Sum of first n terms is 400. I should going to find the number of terms and the common difference. I should call it number of terms which called is common difference. Actress n card which is D card. It's okay. Solutions. Sinus A and such barabar 45. मगर A फ्रेंड्स हमारा A plus n minus 1 into D को इसलिए पे A plus n minus 1 D हमसे को बराबर 45. A is और है देते A is बराबर 5 उसको 5 plus n minus 1 D को 45. This simplifies n minus 1 D हमसे को बराबर 45. You see 5 should get right side from transfer even minus 5. This implies n minus 1 D has to go barabar 45 minus 5 or 40. That's how now equation first. In n minus 1 D has to go barabar 45 minus 5 or 40 also. Make sure that SN. SN or is the 400. As for the SN by formula n by 2 in terms of AN, you go A plus AN. That's about 400. In the sum of first n terms is given as AN there, you should have n by 2 A plus AN. This implies n by 2 A plus AN. A is power of 5, AN is power of 45. Yes, I got 400. So n by 2 A plus A 5 plus 45, so also go 50 is equal to 400. This simplifies n by 2 so go barabar it's in case of 2 ones are 2 to 25 so go 50 so 25n 25 n has to go barabar 400. This implies n has to go barabar 400 divided by 25. 25 ones are go 25. 16s are go 400 barabar. 16. N is barabar 16. M pathology n value karo substitute first month. Substitute n is equal to 16 and first we get first is n minus 1 D and will go 16 minus 1 and to D for 40. 16 minus 1 go for 15, so 15 D is equal to 40. D has to go barabar 40 divided by 15. I think 5 say kasar 5 years are go 40, 5 3 go 15, so D go barabar 8 divided by 3. It's for you guys number of terms the more number of terms 8 is 16, common difference will be 8 divided by 3.